Nityananda was giving Diksha, and he has a parampara called Nityananda Parampara with various branches. So Vrindavan Das Thakur is the last devotee that took Diksha from Nityananda Prabhu, and he wrote this Chaitanya Bhagavat. He revealed, Vrindavan Das Thakur revealed, what did he reveal? What is the special teaching that's revealed in Chaitanya Bhagavat? Hari Jana Seva Kritya Sarva Sara Sar. You got it? Harijan. I think you've heard this word before from Gandhi. Gandhi popularized the word Harijan. He's saying, Harijan Seva Kritya. I think it's quite easy to figure that out. Harijan Seva Kritya Sarva Sara Sar. Sar Sar. Service. Harijan Seva. Vaishnav Seva. Service to the Vaishnavas, Harijan Seva Kritya, is the essence of all essences. And in English that's called the quintessence, if my vocabulary serves me correctly. The essence of the essence is the quintessence, the epitome, the zenith. You say zenith. Zenith. The zenith, the topmost. So this is basically what one will learn from this book. One will learn Gopi Bhav. One will actually learn what is Gopi Bhav, because the underpinning or the foundation or the undercurrent of Gopi Bhav is Das, Das, Anu, Das. Gopi Bhartu, Parakamalayor, Das, Das, has nothing to do with designation. Nothing to do with, Gopi Bhav has nothing to do with designation, nothing to do with Upadi. Sarvapani Vinir Muktam. It's all Vinir Muktam, it's thrown out. Gopi Bhav has nothing to do with ashram, has nothing to do with varna, has nothing to do with vidya, vairagya, gyan. It has everything to do with Hari Jan Seva Kritya Sarva Sara Sar. This is the most valuable contribution and teaching of Vrindavan Das Thakur. So after one reads Adi Lila, Madhya Lila, and Anti Lila, it will finally dawn on him, yes, the Vaishnavas, the Gaudiya Vaishnavas are my real worth. They are my real art. They are my Sarvartha Siddhi Yoga. They are my Sarvartha. They are the complete wealth of my life. They're the greatest treasure in my hand, is the association with the Vaishnavas. Because they give me the opportunity to serve their lotus feet. And by serving their lotus feet, I will get a taste for the holy name. Because I hate the holy name. I hate to chant Hare Krishna. I can't stand it. My guru is forcing me every day, 16 rounds. I have no taste. I have no attraction. I have no feelings. I have no love. I have no emotions. Nothing for the holy name. It is just like a parrot, a tota chanting, tota bhashya. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama. 1, 2, 3. So, if we imbibe this essential instruction, this quintessence of shiksha, if we imbibe this from the pages of Chaitanya Bhagavat, that it is incumbent upon me that I must serve the feet of the Vaishnavas. And if we do that, if we actually humbly and with TLC, tender loving care, if we actually serve the feet of the Vaishnavas, then what will we gain? We will get Nam Ruchi. We will get Nam Ruchi, taste for the holy name. And what is the proof? What is the proof that you have Nam Ruchi? How will you know? How will you measure? How will you understand that you have Nam Ruchi? How will you know? What is the sign? What is the indicator? What is the proof that you have Nam Ruchi? That you have received the blessings of Vrindavan Das Thakur, and you've received the blessings of the Vaishnavas, and you've actually understood the Harijan Seva Kritya Sarva Sara Sar. What is the proof? The proof is the Dhanam Janam Sundarim Kavitam Ba Jagadisha Kamaye. Mama janmani janmaneshvare bhavatat bhakti rahoita ki toyi. This is the proof. You don't want any money. You don't want any fame, name, position, anything. Dhanam. You don't want a big house. You don't want a big car. You don't care. Whatever you have, you're happy. You're satisfied. Prasanna. What is that? Brahmabhuta prasanatma. Prasanatma. You're satisfied. Okay, I have an 800 Maruti. Great. I'm the only guy in town that has one. Everybody else has a 10 lakh car. I have a 1 lakh car. Haribo, Radhe Radhe. I don't care. I have no greed. Na dhanam. Na janam. Na sundaram. I don't want women. I don't want beauty. I don't want anything. I don't want beautiful clothes. I don't want beautiful house. I don't want beautiful women, men. I don't care. All I want is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, 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 Hare Hare. This is my wealth. This is my treasure. You can take your country, you can take your city, you can take your friend's colony and enemy colony and opposition colony and Congress colony and BJP colony and every colony and just burn it down. I don't care. Just give me the holy name of Krishna.